Number 1. 956 Buick Super T1500, Costa Mesa, California. This 1956 Buick Super Riviera hardtop is a solid example of mid-50s American luxury, featuring its original Dynaflow automatic transmission, factory air conditioning, power steering, power brakes, and electric windows. This car was loaded for its time. Mechanically, it's been well maintained with a rebuilt transmission, refreshed power steering and brake booster, new brake lines, and a Record radiator. The roof and trunk area have had rust repair and primer work done, but some paint finishing is still needed. With a clean title and solid bones, this is a great cruiser with vintage flair. Number 2. 1962 Chevy Corvair convertible, 14,250, Larkspur, California. This red 1962 Chevrolet Corvair convertible is in excellent condition and has been tastefully restored over time. It features a rebuilt engine, upgraded brakes, a new convertible top, and fresh white wall tires. Some minor work is needed, such as an alternator replacement and routine maintenance, but it runs well. The Corvair's rear engine design and unique style make it a standout among 1960s convertibles. The odometer reads 47,000 miles, though it may have rolled. A stylish and affordable air-cooled classic. Number 3. 1953 Ford Victoria, Custom, $16,500, Southwest Colorado. This custom 1953 Ford Victoria is a true old-school build with classic hot rod touches. Chopped and lowered, it features a 283 cubic inch Chevrolet engine paired with a Turbo 400 automatic transmission. It runs and drives but uses a bit of oil, likely due to valve guides. A clean title and rust-free appearance make it a great platform for continued customization or weekend cruising. Ideal for vintage hot rod fans. Number 4. 1969 Lincoln Mark III, $11,000, Santa Teresa, New Mexico. A true land yacht, this 1969 Lincoln Mark III is offered in excellent running condition. The 460 cubic inch V8 has been well serviced, and the car benefits from a new radiator, brake service, water pump, fuel system cleaning, and a new gas tank. Cold air conditioning and brand new white wall tires complement the luxury experience. With a clean title and a well-documented history, this Lincoln is a comfortable, stylish cruiser perfect for collectors of luxury classics. Number 5. 1957 Chevy Belair, $12,900, Tucson, Arizona. A unique blend of classic styling and modern power, this 1957 Chevrolet Belair sedan features a 6.0-liter LS engine from a 2012 Cadillac Escalade paired with a 6L80 transmission. This four-door project includes four-wheel disc brakes, but it needs interior work and headlights repaired. Odometer shows 80,000 miles on the engine. This could be a sleeper build with serious performance once completed. A great project for someone who wants retro looks with modern drivability. Number 6. 1957 Ford Custom 300 Tudor Sedan, $16,500, Redding, California. An original survivor, this 1957 Ford Custom 300 still retains most of its factory paint, interior, and drivetrain. Equipped with a 272 V8 and 3-speed manual transmission, it is largely unrestored and shows minimal rust. Very rare for a car of this era. It's had extensive mechanical refreshes including new tires, brakes, radiator, and carburetor. Originally purchased in Texas and garaged in California, This is an ideal car for fans of original patina and vintage authenticity. Number 7. 1978 Chevrolet Corvette L82, $14,500, Lebanon, Oregon. This low-mileage 1978 Corvette L82 has just 44,000 original miles and was owned by only 2 adults. It features the high-performance L82 350 cubic inch engine and factory options like power steering, power brakes, and power windows. Finished in mahogany red inside and out, this Corvette is an extremely clean 50th anniversary edition. The seller has original documentation, including the window sticker, making this an ideal collector car. Number 8, 1973 Saab Sonnet 3, $19,500, North Hollywood, California. This 1973 Saab Sonnet 3 is a rare front-wheel drive sports coupe powered by a Ford-sourced V4 engine and 4-speed manual transmission. With only 71,000 original miles, no rust, and extensive mechanical work, including a rebuilt transmission and new clutch, it's a true survivor. The clean original interior rates a 9 out of 10. With a clean title and documented service, this one-owner classic offers a quirky, fun driving experience that's increasingly hard to find. Number 9, 1972 Mercury Comet, $19,000, Yerington, Nevada. This 1972 Mercury Comet features a 302 V8 engine and C4 automatic transmission. While originally equipped with air conditioning, the components have been removed. The car runs and drives great with recent upgrades including a new carburetor, exhaust, suspension parts, and master cylinder. It retains original Magnum 500 wheels and has minimal rust. A clean, muscular, compact classic with good bones, ready for daily driving or further restoration. Number 10. 1966 Ford Mustang Deluxe Edition, $18,500, Tarzana, California. This Deluxe Edition 1966 Ford Mustang Coupe is an exceptionally clean example with a 289 cubic inch V8. It features factory rally wheels, deluxe interior trim, and excellent upholstery. Always garage kept, this Mustang shows no signs of rust and has original floors. With 72,000 miles and a clean title, this is a well-maintained pony car that is ready to enjoy as is, making it a strong candidate for classic car shows or weekend cruises. Number 11. 1964 Pontiac Le Mans Convertible, $18,800, Los Angeles, California. Powered by a Pontiac 400 cubic inch big block engine and equipped with a 3-speed automatic transmission, this 1964 Le Mans convertible blends muscle and style. The convertible top functions perfectly, and the car features power steering and drum brakes. It's in good driving condition with new wheels and tires. While not a concours car, it offers strong value and performance for anyone seeking a classic open-top cruiser with muscle car roots. Number 12. 1965 Ford Galaxy 500 Convertible, $19,500, Centralia, Washington. A clean and classic big body convertible, this 1965 Ford Galaxy 500 features a 352 cubic inch V8 and automatic transmission. The seller describes it as the nicest example currently for sale, and it runs, drives, and looks fantastic. The only thing it needs is a rear window for the convertible top. Otherwise, it is a reliable and handsome full-size Ford with a clean title and a great reputation for everyday drivability. Number 13. 1954 Chevrolet 210 Sedan, $19,950, Scottsdale, Arizona. This 1954 Chevrolet 210 four-door sedan is powered by its original 235 straight-six and manual 3-on-the-tree transmission. The seller has owned the car for over 30 years, and it has been lovingly maintained. Recent work includes a rebuilt carburetor, new fuel pump, and brand new white wall tires. It also features aftermarket air conditioning and an aluminum radiator. This is a garage-kept, well-preserved family heirloom ready for its next caretaker. Number 14. 1953 Oldsmobile 88, Frameoff restoration, $19,000, Coweta, Oklahoma. This Frameoff, restored 1953 Oldsmobile 88, is powered by a 403 cubic inch Oldsmobile V8 with a Holley 670 CFM carburetor. It features power disc brakes, power steering, and a polished aluminum radiator. The car rides on new tires with front and rear stabilizer bars, and Flowmaster mufflers provide a quiet ride. With only 10,000 miles since completion, this rust-free cruiser is ready for highway speeds and weekend shows. Clean title, fully sorted, and offered with extra parts.